So for today's vlog, we're here at the supermarket. So we're going to grocery, and thank you so much, Sir Steven.
Ito, bibili tayo nitong Oreo cookies. I think it's
Oreo cookies.
Sir Steve. Alin ba ito, Neng? Or ito?
Chocolate.
Ito.
Anong chocolate? Oreo for you, Sir Steve.
Ito chocolate.
Yan.
Kaso, andito pa ganito, parang pabandel. Parang isang buo siya.
Bakit gayon?
Hindi siya pa tinapay. Alam ko pa, hindi talaga siya pa ano eh. Parang pa ganito. Parang pa ganyan.
Yan.
30 piraso. I think it's ano.
Hindi ha.
Bubuksan mo siya tapos.
Hindi.
Ay, may plastic pa siya. Oh, done. One more. Ay, kailangan natin budgetin.
So we buy an Oreo cookies.
Yes, because
and
it's favorite. I think it's
and drinks.
One more each, or it's enough?
Two.
Or one? Two? Para chocolate
yes.
Or strawberry?
Strawberry at saka chocolate. So I'm with Ate Grace and Vanessa.
Yes.
Sir Steven.
Hi, Sir Steven.
Dito naman po tayo sa soft drink. Ano to?
Ayun.
Drinks and ito lang. Royal lang. Royal. And Coke. Coffee is life.
Ang bandol lang. Hindi yan.
More coffee and Coke and Royal, Sir Steve, and Oreo and coffee. And mga tinapay pa de ulit. Alin? Ano cream o? Cream o. And ano pa? Skyflex. Ribisco chocolate. Because mahilig ako sa chocolate. And one of the requests of Sir Steve is chocolate.
Oo nga pala, more chocolate dito. May mga candies?
I don't know. Not candy ata. Not candy.
Oh. One of the chocolate.
Yes, Sir Steve. It's ano to? Flat top milk chocolate.
Oh, and then
and I'm a video girl. 100.
Siguro po mga siguro tama na din. Ato pong maliliit yung hindi naman ay kaya sila mo tama. Kasi nga
Dairy milk. Wala.
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk.
Ano pa na yun? Dairy milk.
More of candy. Walang dairy milk.
Ilang araw ka walang kita na. Pampalo ka naman ayos mo.
Kamusta ka? Kiss me pa. Walang dairy milk.
Very expensive, the dairy milk.
Dairy milk is very expensive, Sir Steve, and the Toblerone.
Yes, the budget.
And
this is the budget card.
This is the only chocolate that not very expensive.
Just a little bit. Ano pa?
I don't know kung ano pa.
Yung bumili ko nga na rin ito.
Yan, sampalok.
Pampaog.
Sampalok.
Shampoo.
Tsaka,
Sabon.
dini.
Ay, ganyan. Pinag-ibibili.
Tsaka yung isang anuhan.
Yung Yakult.
Yan, this is the, ano,
We need a
shampoo and
because
soap.
Mara is no shower.
Anong Zavon?
Bioderm.
Ganyan lang.
Kayo. Meron ako dun silka ang ginagamit ko.
Shampoo muna.
Yung nasa ano na, yung ganyan.
Nasa yung shampoo.
Ay, walang sunsilk na ano. Ayan na. Ayan, panlaba.
Ay, pang ba? Yung Ariel.
Because every week, we have a laundry.
Oh, sunset.
Ay, aring tatluhan.
Yes.
Mas makakatipid sa tatluhan.
Ariel.
Tama na pa.
So very bango. Oh, tsaka Downy.
Buwan daw niya. Kaya daw niya. Kailangan ng isang basket.
Sa ilalim.
Bawal pa nga. Wala nang basket.
Mampabango ng damit, Downy.
Yung ito.
Parang hindi nakapili. Ito rin.
Yung malaki-laki na mas murang-mura sa medyo malaki ito.
Yan.
Nasa 30 plus lang to. Ito na daw ni. Ano lang to?
Sa ilalim.
Wala nang basket eh.
Vanessa, kumuha ka ng ganito, basket. O kaya Ari, oh.
Mas mahal yan.
Buwan ko lang.
Mas mahal yan. Bagay, yun ang binibili ninyo. Ano? O yan, yung kulay pink. Man.
Walang pink.
Ito, mas mabango yan.
Ta, blue.
Tsaka sunrok sa puti. Di kulay.
Ano nga bang ginagamit ng mama sa maro? Aray. Yan.
Yan o, lemon. Na, yan.
Yan ang sinasabi. Para sawakan mo.
And then, doon na tayo sa ano na yun.
Downy.
Panghugas sa plato.
Joy. Ayan.
Are, hangching ako. Max Glow. Glow. Doon tayo sa kabila. Shampoo. Mga shampoo. Wala na yun.
Walang Sprite.
Sabon.
Anong sabon natin?
Safeguard.
Ang sabon nyo.
Luna.
Oo nga, parang hindi lang pa ano-ano. Mabili-bili.
O kaya Dove.
Ayaw. Mga dab, mababang sa katawan.
Yun na yung abot mo ba yan? May tatlo na din. Aray ha.
Yes.
Sabon. Shampoo yun.
Shampoo, wala ba naman yung malaki ha? Putingin. Tsaka kung hindi naman ako nagsashampoo.
Yung mga papa mo.
Papa, inasa ano nga?
Favorite na nito.
Yung shoulder. Yun na lang. Yun na.
Malit Vanessa, yan.
Tara, bibili lang ako na.
Let's see. Here. So, Sir Steve, I buy Delata. This is my favorite. 5552 na afritada. Okay, Vanessa. Saka... Okay, ito. Vanessa. Corn Argentina.
Corn beef.
And... okay, Vanessa. Ayapusin mo kasi para hindi mo ano. And Century Tuna. Dalawang spicy. Super spicy. Hot and spicy.
Okay, spicy.
Puro hot and spicy. Walang ano. Ito. And ito lang.
Ligo.
Huwag ng ligo. Sa isip mo. Ano?
Bukas po, yung dami ko eh. Marino na yun.
San Marino. San Marino. Where's San Marino? San Marino.
San Marino.
Uy, nakita pa lang. Tatlo. Tsaka Canton.
Bayan.
Halaman. At
Alam mo muna kung may labanan dito sa tinahin pa.
na.
Ito play pa yan. Bumili ka ng yelo sa pupisaw.
Halaman din. Walan. May ganyan ba? Nasaan?
Ang buo. Tignan mo.
Aswad?
We're going to punch. Ano ba ito?
Alibaba, isang bundle ba?
The punch. We were going to punch her Steve. So we the bill.
How much is the fare?
How much the total?
I think 3K.
Ah!
Yeah. Or more.
13?
Pag ito yung nag-3, ano na, hindi natin sama-sama. Mura dito kasi sa tatsaga ka lang daw ng pamilya. Sa mga save meal. Hindi lang sa sakto.
Iyawan po. 1, 2. The total is 2,592. And that's all. Hindi pa nakakabili ng itlog.
Kulang.
So yun guys, we are home.
Sunog ang
Sobrang init, it's so very hot, Sir Steven here.
Yes.
Sunog, it's so, my skin is so dark na.
And my seeing it's so very dark.
And Ma!
Hey, yeah.
What would you say to Sir Steve?
Sir Steve, thank you very much, Sir Steven. Thank you very much for support my daughter.
Sports?
Support,
helping,
and you also. Thank you very much. Please don't forget always my daughter always. And then may so many
grocery.
Yeah, grocery. Thank you very much. So
thank you, Sir Steve. Thank you so much for always being here for me and for always helping me.
Yeah, take care of yourself, Sir Steven. So I'm there in court, nakikinda na.
Just sell on the court, Sir Steven.
Yan.
Kahit na walang laro, ang basketball.
No,
Today is starting at again basketball.
Tomorrow, lang. They got basketball tomorrow, and now a little bit maybe volleyball or little bit basketball. Yan.
So here at the grocery and the soft drink is here. So papasok na natin siya sa our life. We were back on. We were up to the rest. Pasok here.
This one.
Oh, so many ice. We sell ice. Sir Steve.
No.
So we open.
May banana kayo ka ba, ma? May kayo sa mabango natin.
Meron pa kayong 300 sa akin. Magandang banana kayo sa akin.
Oh my God.
Banana siya. Oo.
Sige, banana kayo. Tsaka mga palamig.
Palamig. Ilan.
No. This is your Oreo. Sir Steve.
Yan, sa CR.
Oreo cookies and some of and also the pancit canton and coffee
Kumpanin ko na ito.
and tinapay and chocolate for you. And lalagay na siya.
Vanessa.
The conditioner, shampoo, and the other of the dishwashing is over the bathroom.
Anong natayo? Kalamansi juice?
Chocolate.
Dito ka na lalagay sa sa galere.
Yan, ma.
20.
We have Argentina corned beef and pay tuna fritada and San Marino. So many deluxe stuff.
And don't forget the cookies, because cookies is favorite of Sir Steve.
Lagay. Wala nang mapaglagyan. Puro gamit.
Dito, hatin na kayo dito.
Oo na.
20 ito. Tapos 20 lang ba natin?
And coffee.
Isa.
Yeah, gusto ako.
Sana natin.
Dahil nakabiling itlog niyo.
Sana natin si CJ.
No egg, Sir Steve, because
The budget
is only 2,000.
200.
The bill is 2,592.
Yes. It's very expensive.
And the drinks is here.
Ano nga pala natin? Ang drinks.
The drinks.
Chocolate cake.
Here's the drinks. We have our Royal and Sprite
I can fix in the refrigerator.
and Coke also.
Because Sir Steve said you buy a
Drink and Oreo and chocolate.
other needs every day. Everyday things.
Because we need so very full soft drinks and because this to Philippines is so very hot.
Yes. Very happy. Kahit naman yung we need to buy eggs, but the money is enough. No more.
No budget now because 2K budget on the grocery. So the other is we save on the bank.
Yeah. But it's enough. I think it's
But
enough.
it's okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sir Steven. The freezer is the refrigerator is full.
More full, Sir Steve. Thank you very much for the love and for the support. Yan. Pakita mo namin.
Here's the result.
Dito na lang ata ang tubig. Yan ba? Ihiga mo din.
Yan na yan.
Yan.
I'm done packaging the refrigerator, the food and the drinks. Oh, so
Ruby na
hot.
lang, ma.
I'm so hot. I'm so hot. So yun. So happy because the refrigerator is full. And the other is here. The canton and the coffee and the Delatsta is here. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. Thank you so much. Love you always. And so, ayan guys, I finished my vlog and I'm going to edit my vlog. So, later I'm going to upload my vlog. And thank you so much, Sir Steve. Thank you so much. And the refrigerator is full. And thank you so much, Sir Steve, for always being here with me and for always helping me. Thank you so much, Sir Steve. And I will end this vlog and bye-bye everyone. And take care always, Sir Steve. God bless you and more blessings to come. And don't forget always to take your medicine, okay? And tell to mom hi. And take care yourself always. Bye-bye guys. Love you all.